Hey planners, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another video. Today's video is an unboxing of this Simply Gilded subscription box. So if you guys want to see this lovely box, then keep on watching. Really excited about this box because when I saw the sneak peeks on IG on Simply Gilded, I was so blown away, and I just really love the colors of this box. So I'm super excited to dive into this to see if we get some of this same colors here. It has like cute hummingbirds on it, and it's so pretty. And it came in this beautiful packaging here. So it's a really big box this time. Again, this is for March, and it's called Hummingbird Story, and it's volume 41, and which I think, does that mean like it's like the 40th one subscription box? I don't know. Again, if you guys have been watching my unboxings, I'm new this year to Simply Gilded, so I'm new to the family subscription box, and I do subscribe to the first one, which is everything, and then I add on the extra washi. But you can get a different option this year. She's having like just washi and just stickers, or everything else. But look how pretty this box is. Okay, let's jump in. All right, I just love these colors. These colors remind me of like Palm Springs, or just being at the pool, like this bright pool color, teal color. So here's the little info card. And I'm definitely gonna save this box because it's so pretty. I think she said it kind of looks like a book, is what she was saying in the live. Okay. Also, there is a code for you guys in the description box. I kind of put it through, or I put it down there for you in every single video. That way you can have it and you don't have to go back to another video, but it's there for you if you haven't used it already. Just a little discount for you. Okay. So here's the little information card, and it tells you everything that's inside, and then there's a mystery item. So let me pull this aside because I don't want to spoil the mystery item. I'm not going to go in particular order of the journaling card, but if you guys have a preference, leave it in the comments down below for next time. But I'm just going to randomly pick stuff because I think it's fun that way. Okay, so first we have is what I've been waiting for, because I've seen past unboxings and they always have like these cool little albums or little pouches that she makes. Is what besides the washi, it's what else she's known for. And she has these beautiful envelopes made, and they're just gorgeous. Kind of beautiful envelope pouch, and it has this beautiful design here. It is so pretty. It matches the box. I love the hummingbirds with like this, it's kind of like a pinkish lilac color. It's definitely has some purple tones in there, but it's pink and purple, and it has this beautiful teal color with these, like, I want to say lime green hummingbirds. They're just really cool. And I like that it has a little pin loop there, and then the inside is the same. It has this snap closure with the hearts, and then the scallop flap here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's embossed Simply Gilded on the back, and then you have your D-rings. My only issue is that it has stitching here that is, I'm not sure if it was supposed to be stitched that way where you can see. Oh, it's because of the pin loop. Gotcha. Yeah. Huh. All right, but other than that, it's so cute. I love that. Okay, so there's that. And then we have, let's see, what is this? Priority sticky tabs. And she put this in her January box, which I really loved. I used quite a bit of those, especially the heart ones, because those were really cute. These are like translucent sticky tabs, but this time she put numbers on them, and she did give the colors names, which I think is a cute touch. Pink Trumpet, Nectar, Sweet Leaf, Bluebell, and Purple Crown. Really cute. So I'll have to find an idea for that, but I think these would be perfect if you guys follow me with my Plan With Me's and my Happy Planners, I use the teacher layout for fitness and wellness, and this would be really great for your fitness and wellness priorities. Or if you track on your watches, you could use these to write out the stats, but I love these. Next up, we have this cute thing. I've seen this before in other subscription boxes, and I've actually never had one of these, so this is fun. This is a sparkle charm bookmark. Whoa, just flung that right over there. Give you guys a close-up of this charm here. So it's on this pretty pink twine here, and both of the charms are tied at the end, and it's like a book charm where it hangs out of your book or your planner. I think that's cute. I love it. So cute. So it is a kind of like a little dimensional heart here. It's kind of got those sparkle, like an opal, I guess, and then the Simply Gilded bow, or resemblance. I'm not really sure if that's like her trademark bow, but super cute idea. I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside over there. Okay, next up is this is the Stitch notebook. It's an A5. Go ahead and open this. So here is the A5 binding stitch notebook, and it's dot grid, and it has like a foiling pretty bow on the front, and again with the hummingbird print. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's a simple notebook, but I love the cover of this. Super cute. Okay, next up we have the sticker sheets. So this would be something that you could get separately in a box itself, if you decided you just wanted the stickers, the sticker kit. So you get 3 of these smaller ones, these deco sheets, and then you get the dates of numbers and little icons, and I believe they're hearts. Yeah. So they're like little tiny hearts with little icons, and it has like the design background. And these are glossy stickers. They're not clear, but they're super glossy and soft. Then you get the pretty pink color with silver. They're all silver foiling. And here's the little deco sheet. These are full boxes, and then these, I guess, quarter boxes. But again, they're like pretty glossy stickers. So these you may have to use for layering, because I think even a Sharpie on this type of gloss would maybe smear. But I would definitely try a permanent marker first. But these may be great for layering. And then you could probably add a header, a paper header sticker to these stickers. I think they would be great in that sense. So you have those, and then you have her bow seals, which these are really pretty. They're so shiny and fun. I love the print inside the bows. And then you get, let's see, 2 of the full sheet stickers with headers, and these are all in that same silver foiling, and they have, the headers are scripty, like a cursive script. And you get 3 sets, so it'll cover your month. So you have it in this purple color, you have it in the design print, and this pink, and then you get a mixture of decorative boxes, which I like that, because again, you can't really write in these, but you could totally just layer it for decoration, or possibly add a icon to it, because you could see that. And then you get like little headers that say appointment, grocery, meal plan to clean, laundry day, and you get like checklist, just a mixture of things. It's really cute. So last month she had like extra die cut stickers. I would have loved that, and these hummingbirds. They are so beautiful, and the stack of books. I would have loved that in a die cut sticker because those are so pretty. So I love the sticker sheets. They're so pretty. Okay, and then lastly we have, and then I'll share the mystery item at the end, but you get everything packaged really nicely. Your washi and your pen and the journaling card in here. So again, I'm subscribed to the entire box. So with shipping, it comes out to $50. I think she mentioned shipping is like that because of COVID and things, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of high price shipping. I've mentioned that before if you know me. But anyways, okay. But everything here is well worth. I think it comes out to like $35 without shipping. Okay, so here's the stack of washi. Everything is coordinated with the theme. It's really pretty and springy, and everything is in silver foiling. And my favorite are the books. So pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And I also have the add-on, which is the, I think this is a 5mm. So you could just get the washi. This is the second option. You would get this washi set. But I'm going to share the pen. The pen is really nice. I love these pens. This will be my, let's see, my third pen, because my last box I gave my friend Tina a pen because it was her birthday, and I know that she would have loved it. And yeah, it was more her vibe. It had like pretty florals on it and things. But this is a ombre of pink and blue and teal, and it has the Simply Gilded embossed and the bow at the top. I don't think I've mentioned that before in my videos, but I didn't even notice that until someone mentioned it. But it also, she has the word hope on the end of it. It has like a little star, really cute. And it is a gel black pen. It has the cap on it. But I love these pens. They write really well. They're like my favorite. And I love that color. Okay, and then we get, it looks like we get an extra sheet. I don't think this is, let me see. Maybe I did mess up on the mystery item. Let's see. Journaling card, party sticker tab, sparkle charm, designer washi tape. I don't know. I have no idea. But, or maybe these were extra stickers for the sticker kit, but these are clear stickers. Very, very clear, translucent stickers, and the material feels different. It kind of gives it like a vinyl vibe. Interesting. But they are stickers, but they're super clear. Very clear. So here's a little hummingbird. And it has the books, and it has like a little bow trim, but really pretty. And then here's the journaling card. Mine got pretty squished, but it was probably because of the mailman. It just looks a little bent, but that's okay. But these are really great. They're super pretty to collect. You can definitely put these in your planner. And I've seen a lot of other Simply Gilded collectors put the washi that you get in the subscription box on the back of these, so that way you know what came in this set. But super cute. That was everything in the Simply Gilded complete box. So now I'm going to share the mystery items. So if you don't want to see the mystery items, go ahead and hop off, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so here's the mystery item. I have seen this in another subscription box, I think, which is great, so that way I know what it is. I think this is for your pens, but I think that one had a loop. Did it or did it not? It had like a band to put it on your planner? I don't remember, but I have seen something like this, and I hope that's what it is. It's where you put your pens in. So it's like a little cozy, a pen cozy. I don't know if that's what it's called. But it's the same color of the blue, the teal color. It's really cute. I actually really like this because I don't have anything like this. So this is super nice and it's soft. So that was the mystery item. And let me give you guys a close-up of the washi. So I'm going to take the packaging off so I can share a close-up of the washi. Here's the washi stack. Up close, it's so pretty. So this is the original stack that you would get, and then this is the add-on, which is the smaller 4 here. And the pink one is one of the perforated washi. I think it is. Yeah. That I've gotten before, that has like different headers on there. And again, it's all in silver foiling. Super pretty. The books are my favorite. So I'm going to share the swatches here in my little mini happy planner, little micron. It has tons of swatches in here from other washi and pen test and stamps and things. But I love the one that Irene does, like in a bigger booklet that's kind of like a notebook. Actually, I could probably start using the notebook that comes with this to put my washi in. That's a good idea. But super cute. Again, I love the book washi and the hummingbirds, and I definitely love the bows with the kind of like ombre in the back, or I'm not really sure what to call that, but I did these upside down because sometimes it's hard to, the way they roll out in the design direction, so I accidentally did that upside down on that page, but that's okay. I do want to say that this one, if you guys saw my last haul for the March collection, she did the like this rainbow Aurora has the same blue, because I thought I recognized this with the 2 tones, so it's in the same set. But that was my Simply Gilded subscription box for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. And if you received this box, what did you think about it? It's super pretty, definitely great for spring. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.